Hello everybody, it's Jo here. Welcome back to my craft room. And this is the latest design team project that I've done for the wonderful DashofDave Traveller's Notebook. And it's using papers from the Impasto kit. Wonderful kit, go check it out on his Etsy store. I'll provide the link down below in the description box, along with his YouTube channel. And this time I've used Clara. These are the pages that are called Clara's. Clara A. And we've got Clara B. So as you can see, they're matching. It's like a front and a back. Wonderful designs. And it's made this Traveller's Notebook. And for the front cover, it was printed onto cardstock. And I've folded over the cover to make pockets on the inside, at front and the back. It's a single signature. On the spine we have some calico fabric to give it extra strength at the back, and I've also put some on in the front, in the inside as well. There's an elastic closure which is held on with a copper coloured eyelet there. We are Memory Keeper's eyelet. And going in. So as you can see, the pocket there that's been folded around. There is a luggage label there. This was a freebie from Nik the Booksmith, as is the label inside as well, which is removable. But I thought it was out for a traveller's journal. And here is a guest check. This is from Artzology. But yeah, there are various coloured guest checks in the kit, and I've chosen this one. This has some of DashofDave's Clara design that was printed on vellum there. There's a washi sticker, a plant image, and it's just coffee dyed and sewn around as well. There's journaling space on the back. There's Clara B on the back of the cover. It just goes in there. We have a corner pocket here from some cardstock that I had in my stash. I've had it a long time and I'm unsure as to who it belonged to. It was a digital, I know that. So if anyone recognises it, please feel free to remind me down below in the comments. There's a LoveJunkJournal label there. That's the vintage labels. There's a card that's been made from Clara A. There, I've added some Tim Holtz ephemera on the front, a fussy cut iris flower from a flower book, and there's another LoveJunkJournals label on the bottom there, and some calico fabric just slotted through the hole at the top there of the tag, and it's all sewn around, and journaling space on the back. This is a straw paper page behind. And that's from, I purchased some from Roxy Creations from her Etsy store, which I'll link down below as well. Here is a coffee dyed envelope that's been sewn around. It's been made into a pocket. I've added some tickets. I think that was from Shabby Dabby Doo Dah, the cream coloured one. This one I think is from LoveJunkJournals. There's a faux, a washi sticker on book page there, which I've just fussy cut round it. I've just added for extra interest, and there's a little snippet of Clara at the bottom there, and on the whale tail tab too. And going over, there's the back of the straw paper. I've made a notebook on this side using the Clara A design. There's some journaling space at the back, obviously there, but also there is a little notepad in here for some tea dyed paper and some vintage appointment paper. And there's quite a bit of journaling space there. And at the back there's a pocket using the Clara A design, and it houses a Roxy Creations vintage tag there. That's also available on Etsy. Now I've just added a label and a washi sticker there. The journaling space on the back. Here we have some mulberry paper, and I've added, for extra strength, I've added a strip of the Clara design down the side there, which makes it easier to handle. Okay, and there's just some empty journaling space there. I have some time cards which were also from Artzology, which are just brilliant. And that just goes in there. There's like a library pocket style pocket there. And I've created with the Clara, excuse me, Clara A design, which was printed on vellum. I've just added that to the front of that tag there. Journaling space at the back. Another one of LoveJunkJournals labels and ephemera, and a little fussy cut flower on there as well. The library pockets were a print off from the old design shop. That's a kit as well. I will link down below. There's just some grid paper there. And some tea-dyed paper. There's another pocket there that I've made from Clara A, from the Impasto kit, along with a journaling card. There's some more Tim Holtz ephemera, a LoveJunkJournals label, a little washi sticker, and some chiffon fabric at the top there, all sewn around. Actually, there was a tag in the envelope. I don't think I showed you yet. There's another journaling card there in the envelope pocket. This is from Clara B, and I've added a butterfly there, and that's sewn around and coffee dyed at the back. So where were we? So yeah, there's the grid paper, tea dyed paper, there's the pocket and the journaling card, which I've just shown you. There's just some lined paper there. This is some of the washi that I've just added to that lined paper there. Give it a bit of extra interest. And that's from Clara, printed from Clara A. Just looks lovely, doesn't it, on the vellum. There's a page from Clara B from the Impasto kit, with a whale tail tab there, and that page just flips out, and I've coffee dyed the back. There's another library pocket from the old design shop, and I put another one of the tags that I've made using Clara A on vellum. There's another time card at the back there. Again, another LoveJunkJournals label, ephemera, and a fussy cut flower from a book. There's some more grid paper, more tea dyed paper. There's some cotton rag paper there, which again I've added some of the vellum. Sorry, I just love the sounds. Which I've just sewn onto there, again for extra interest. And it just increases the page as well, because some of the pages weren't quite big enough, so I've just extended them with the vellum there. There's a corner tuck at the top here on some Amazon vintage paper there, or vintage style paper should I say. There's a little envelope here that I've just made out of a book page. These are sayings that I think were from Artie Mays. The earth has music for those who will listen. And I just added a washi sticker flower there. And inside we just have some Tim Holtz ephemera. So that's in there. There's a paper bag there that I've just made into a pocket. I've added some washi stickers there of May Blossom onto the back. There's a journaling card that I've made from the Clara page. And just like this little really sort of rusty colours and oranges and reds and browns, and oh, just lovely. There's even greens in there as well. Just fabulous, all the layers. You see them. Just fabulous. So whale tail tab on there, all sewn around. There's some onion skin there, and I've added some more May Blossom flowers on there, and on the back as well. There's a page from Clara A, which I've just folded over to make a folded flip out page there, and I coffee dyed it on the back and added a whale tail tab again. This is the centre of the signature, which of course is Clara A. There's a bookmark I've just created there from some scrap sari silk, which I've added some lace to and sewn down the centre. I thought the colour went really well with that. And there is also a little passport charm with a little bead on the end. So that's the centre. So on this side we've got the other side of the Clara paper, which again coffee dyed on the back, and a whale tail tab. Some more onion skin with the washi stickers. The other side of the bag with another journaling card I've made from Clara A, from the Impasto kit, and again journaling space on the back. And there's another corner tuck there with another one of Artie Maze's little sentiments there. Be still and listen, the earth is singing. Again, another book page envelope, washi sticker on the front, and some more. There's a stamp and some Tim Holtz ephemera. It's just a vintage stamp. That's the other side of the cotton rag paper. Some tea dyed paper which flips out. And there's a scrap from Clara B there, and a whale tail tab made with the digitals as well. Some more grid paper. Another library pocket from the old design shop, with again another time card and another journaling card that I've created, or journaling tag that I've created, with some more of the vellum from Clara A there. And again with LoveJunkJournals ephemera, and there's a washi sticker there as well. There's a coffee dye flip out there. A page Clara B with a whale tail tab on there. There's some lined paper, some cream paper. There's another pocket there from Clara A. I've made another journaling card. My journaling space on the back. Just lots in there. Some more tea dyed paper. Some more grid paper. Another pocket from the old design shop rather. Another time card with journaling space on the back. Another journaling tag that I created using, look at those colours in there. I'm sure you can see it very well if I hold it right up there to the light. Yeah, just fabulous. But yeah, that was printed on vellum, which seems to deepen the colours even more. Some more of Love Junk Journal ephemera on there. I've sewn around the pocket. And another fussy cut flower. The blue page. There's the other side of the mulberry paper. And again, edged with Dave's digitals there. There's the other side of the straw paper. Another corner pocket there with another journaling tag, a Tim Holtz ephemera, fussy cut flower, and a Love Junk Journals label. Small calico fabric at the top there. And in this pocket That's the last page. I've got another luggage tag there from Nik the Booksmith. And another guest check from Artzology. There's some more of the vellum from Clara. There. There's some music paper on there as well. And some washi stickers. And obviously journaling space at the back. And I've signed it there too. So this is it. So honestly, these, I've got loads more of these to make. I may have a change at some point, but I'm enjoying doing these at the moment, so I shall carry on. So yes, this is Clara, and the latest from DashofDave. He has lots more digitals in his shop at the moment as well. I can't keep up. He's got loads going on in his shop at the moment, so go take a look. But yeah, this kit is fantastic. I absolutely love it. So there we are. I've started my Halloween project. So it may take a month or so before you see that, because it's going to be a project, a big project. But we'll see how it goes, eh? No promises as yet. There may be something in the meantime. But until then, anyway, thank you again to any new subscribers. Your support is fabulous. And I honestly, I just appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. And I will be back. I think I'm losing my voice. I will be back soon. So take care, everyone. And happy crafting or journaling. Whatever your bag is. I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.